we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. Yes. I don't know. Okay. Are we off the air? Okay. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hill County, south central Ellis County, and west central Navarro County until 6:30. There's a cluster of severe thunderstorms near the community of Frost and moving, or nearby Bynum as well, and that would be 14 miles west of Hillsboro, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. These storms may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and heavy rain. The storm that we're watching is just to the east of I-35E and moving toward I-45. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for east central Hill County, south central Ellis County, west central Navarro County until 6:30. A severe thunderstorm 14 miles east of Hillsboro, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.